Civil rights activist Medgar Evers is one of Mississippi's most recognized activists and advocates for change. In 1954, Evers became Mississippi's first field secretary for the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People. In the early 1960s, Evers played an instrumental role in the campaign to have James Meredith admitted to the University of Mississippi as its first African American student. Evers further created the organization's youth council, organized voter registration efforts, agitated for justice in Mississippi through economic boycotts, and investigated crimes committed against Black people. In 1963, Evers was assassinated in the driveway to his home, becoming the first martyr of the 1960s civil rights movement. His murder was one of many turning points in the struggle for equality, including moving President John F. Kennedy to ask Congress for a comprehensive civil rights bill. In the wake of Evers' assassination, the civil rights motto, "After Medgar, no more fear," was born. Evers' life and work laid the foundation for the Mississippi freedom and voting rights struggle, and further influenced others to continue their work in the struggle for civil rights and equality.
This video raises questions and I need for you to be extremely honest when answering them in the comments. And just so you know, I only have 2 questions. Number 1, before this video, have you ever heard the name Medgar Evers? And number 2, what did you learn from this video? Now please be honest in the comments when answering these questions. Share this video with anyone you deem necessary, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.